Hey guys, welcome to Plaster Day 1. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so I got my mold of my mask, scissors, plaster wrap, a bucket of warm water, and some tin foil. First, I'm going to put the tin foil over the mask and push it down, kind of wrap it around the back. This will stop the plaster from sticking to the mold and will allow you to pop your mask off when you're done. Make sure that you have warm water. Warm water in here, otherwise it won't work. You're going to dip your plaster into the warm water. If there's a lot of extra water, use your fingers, squeegee it off, and just lay it on top and smooth it down. You want to have at least 3 layers. 4 is better. And when you're layering, crisscross your layers like an X to make it stronger. In between, smoothing it out. The weakest areas are going to be the nose, the mouth, and around the edge. So make sure you have enough around the edge. And just keep going around. So I'm going to do this 3 times and let it dry about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to leave this, let's leave the tin foil in and just cut around the edge. Couple of things for cleanup. Okay, clean up. Make sure you have paper on your desk, and before you wash your hands, I'm going to put a bucket in each sink and rinse your hands out in there, and then on the other side you can use soap and water. Okay, so rinse your hands on this side first, then go to the sink. That way plaster doesn't get in the sink. We don't want any plaster in the sink. If your bucket gets cold, I'm going to put out a big yellow bucket for you to dump it in. Please do not do this. That is a no. Do not dump your plaster into the sink. It goes into a big yellow bucket I'm going to put out near the door that can be emptied if you need to change it. What else? At the end of the period, you're going to put your, get a piece of paper off this cart by the office, write your name on it, put it underneath your mask on the inside, and put your mask on your shelf. If you're in period 7, look at the number on the wall, and then that whole row all the way down is 7 right there. Okay, so if you're period 6, there's your shelf, and it goes all the way down. You find your period and then your table number. So here's table 1, period 7. This is table 1 too. Don't get confused. This is period 6, table 1. Okay, so make sure you're putting on the right tray, and you're going to put your mask on your period and table tray with your name on the inside. When you're done, you're going to throw away that covering on your table and get a sponge. So throw away that covering, get a sponge or a washcloth out of these buckets, and wipe your whole table down. And that's it. Have fun.